Hey YouTube, this is an unboxing of the iPod Shuffle. It's the gold/orange version. Let me zoom in there, or focus. It's the 2GB iPod Shuffle version, and it doesn't have the 64-pin adapter, but it does have the headphone jack where you can plug it in your computer. Get some scissors. Okay, here we go. Here it is, the actual box, normal box that it comes in. As you can see there, 2GB. Focus that. Here it is, the actual iPod Shuffle itself. Let's see how this works. Oh, here we go. There it is, very nice. That orangish gold. I wish it was a little more yellow. And now for the rest of the box. Let's open this. Start manuals. As you can see, start here. Has the smaller version of the iPod sticker, or the Apple sticker. Here is the headphones. As always, the normal Apple headphones, and the connector that connects your iPod Shuffle to your computer from the 3.5mm headphone jack, like that. This iPod doesn't have a screen. It only has forward, back, play, and then the volume buttons, and then lock, and then pause and turn off, I guess. And that's it for the unboxing.